How's everybody doing tonight? So, a couple things. I know it's kind of late in the afternoon, but, at night. My late at night is like, I don't even know, like 10 o'clock. So, it's not late for me. But I know some people like earlies and some people like lates. So we're just going to see what happens with going late. Let me switch over to my chat view. Close. All right. There we go. All right. So you be sure and say hello when you jump on. We are going to use this cute little surface that I have here. It is one of our surfaces. It's just plain white. It's got on the back, but I'm going to take off the back. But anyway, so this is going to be the one that we're doing. Hi, Haley. We're just going to use this cute little surface. And our transfer tonight is going to be nothing works, nothing worth having comes easy. That's what we're doing. Get it out in a minute. Y'all know me. All right, so we are going to pull this out. And we are going to chalk it. However, I'm going to do a cute little ombre look on it. So we're going to use Couture Teal, which is one of my favorite colors, and then Raspberry Sherbet. Yeah, this one. Anyways, so we're going to do those, and I'm going to do like a fade. So it's going to go from pink up here and blue up here, and it's going to mix in the middle. I think that's what I'm going to do. Yeah. But, okay, so we're going to take our transfer, and we're going to fuzz it. Make sure you fuzz it so that it doesn't have, like, so it still sticks, but it's not super, super sticky. Oh, my gosh. We watched Miss Rachel from Morgan. Okay, so when I said that, the very first thing that popped in my head is sticky, 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 sticky bubble gum, bubble gum, bubble gum. All right. If you watch Miss Rachel, you get it. If not, you probably think I'm crazy. We got a lot of Miss Rachel songs stuck in our head on a daily basis. Gotta love Miss Rachel. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and lay this down. The thing about it is, though, you want to remember it goes down in your base. So you want to get it set up on your board to where it's not going to be, you know what I'm saying? Let me turn it sideways so I can see where I want to have it at. This might just work. Yeah, that works. Okay. I got it. Oh my gosh! Yay! I'm so glad you know that, Haley. Yes. That's so awesome that you watch Miss Rachel with Amina. I love it. I have a piece of my hair stuck on my transfer that goes through my screen, so I'm trying to get it off. Yes, I literally, like, when we change Morgan's diaper and I'm putting on her pants, we're singing, baby, put your pants on, pants on, pants on. Yeah, we sing lots of Miss Rachel all the time. So, yeah. Freaking, it's instilled in my head. Probably instilled in my head more than it is instilled in Morgan's head. That's the bad part. Like, it's stuck. Like, I'll think of something and I will just bust out with a Miss Rachel song. My goodness. But I like watching Miss Rachel, and she loves watching Miss Rachel, so we're good. That's how she learned how to clap. It was super cute. Super, super cute. Let me move my little mouse right here. Hey, girl. I'm doing good. Thanks for jumping on. I was trying to debate late night, early day. I've been going live between like 3 and 4. And I know that when I used to do my Punch Cup lives and stuff, are y'all still there? Okay. So it told me that I was trying to reconnect or something. I'm not sure. Anyways, so I have been doing like 3 and 4 o'clock streams, and I know that, you know, a lot of my people are more like evening people. So I'm kind of switching it up. I'm going to go live sometimes in the evening or sometimes during the day and see, you know, which one's better, where we need to go. Yep. Miss Rachel for the win. Whoop, whoop. Okay. Love me some Miss Rachel. And then mom and dad will come home and they're like, what are you letting my kid watch? Like, what is going on? And I'm like, she likes it. So, yeah. I like Miss Rachel. She likes Miss Rachel. It is what it is. Okay. So, what we're going to do is try and open this chalk face. We're going to create this cute little sign. And I was looking at it and I'm trying to debate on whether I want to, like, I kind of feel I want to stagger it. Like, okay, let me ask you guys opinions. I love asking y'all's opinions. So if y'all are on crafting with me, you're going to get lots of asks. Okay, so I have Couture Teal and I have Raspberry Sherbet. So we got, I'm going to do a blend. So I'm trying to debate if I do the teal, the pink, and the teal and blend the middle word, or should I go teal, blend, pink? What do y'all think? I don't know what I want to do. Or I could even go this way. Like, I could go diagonal like this and have the teal here and the pink here and then blend it in the middle. I like that idea, I think. Yeah, we're going to try it that way. We're going to try it, see how it works. Can't guarantee it's going to come out amazing, but I can guarantee it's going to be fun. That's what I can guarantee. All right, we're going to start with the teal at the top. And the way I'm going to do this is I'm going to go ahead and cut my line right here. I just did that. Now I get to show you how to clean up mistakes when you make a mistake. Okay. And then we are going to leave that there. We're going to grab our ink. This is going to be so pretty. I love this pink, y'all. Okay, and then bring our teal back down. Okay, there. And then normally I would scrape it, but because I'm going to blend it, I'm going to take, I got it all over my finger. I'm going to take the middle piece of it and I'm going to go like this. And we're going to just kind of mix the two together in a blend. Yay! All right, so that's what we did. I know you really can't see that, but that's what we did. All right, and we're going to peel it off. And then I'm going to have to fix my bobo. I'll show you how to fix my bobo. And oh my God, that's gorgeous. I'm in love with that. Oh, that turned out so pretty. Look how pretty that is, y'all. Bam. Look at that. All right. So I am, before it dries, what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab a Q-tip. Yes, a Q-tip. And I'm going to put water on it. And then I'm literally just going to take off this piece right here that I messed up. Can't even tell I did it. Bam. Look at that. Okay, and then I'm going to dry this real fast. This is super cute. I like the way it came out. And it doesn't take long to dry. So we've got this super cute little craft. This is our base. Slides right down on there. There you go. And then you can also do, like, if you want to add some embellishments and stuff on there, you definitely can do that. But I really like the way that turned out. And I'm backwards, so I know that if Brenda sees this, she's going to be like, "You're backwards." And be like, "I'm sorry. I just realized it was still backwards. My bad, y'all. I try not to go backwards because I know how aggravating it is to watch a live and be that person. You're trying to read what it says, and you're like, it's backwards. So, yeah. Hold on a second, and I'll see if I can fix it now that we're done with the project, you know. Hey, Kim. How did your fundraiser go? I mean, your lock-in. Oh, my gosh. I just got blue all over me, y'all. All over me. Anyways, okay. So let me turn this around. Look. Every day, every time I go live, I'm a mess, you guys. Hold on a second. Let me see if I can. Nope, wrong button. Let me see if I can flip this back around. Mirror. Can y'all read it now? Right to left. Nope, that's backwards. Is that backwards? Am I backwards? Like if I go to, yes, I'm backwards. Okay. Y'all should be able to read it now. Okay, let me show you up close. That is the craft that we created tonight. Super cute, super simple. It comes with this little board, and we made it fade into from pink to blue. So, yay! All right, guys. So that is my craft for tonight. Like I said, I'm sorry I'm late, but you know, some people catch a late crafting, and some people catch a early crafting, and so we're just going to play it by ear and see what happens. I'm going to wash off this transfer real fast, and then we shall be done. Yes, we shall. Hey, Rhonda. I miss you. I love you. I miss you and I love you. Need to make a trip back up there to come see you. Trying to think. I got I'm gonna use my rag to do this one because this transfer is kind of like rough on the top. I think it's an older transfer, so it kind of messes with my board eraser. But like I said, normally you would just stick this in the sink. You wouldn't have a spray bottle to do it, but I do it for my lives so that I can show you guys how easy it is to clean up, get all the stuff off of it, and how easy it is for me to get messy. Because you know I'm always getting messy, y'all. The main thing that you want to make sure you get cleaned is that screen. Because if it sticks to the screen, then it's not going to, the next time you use the paint, it's not going to go through. And your letters are going to be messed up. And then you get your sticky side and you clean off your sticky side. All right. Get this bottom one right here. Okay. So I got it all cleaned up, and then I'm going to place it face side up. And as it starts to dry, which it might be dry enough now, as it starts to dry, then you just literally put the backing piece back on, and then it's ready to use for the next time. Come craft with me. Yes, I need to. You have so many amazing craft things. We have this new stuff that we sell now. It's glass etching cream. And you put like the transfer on glass, and then you put the paste over top of it, and then you pull it off, and then you wash it off, and it etches the glass. I don't know how it etches the glass. But when I seen that, I had thought about you. I was like, oh, because I remember those glass cups, which I still have mine. Thank you. That you guys did, the ones that y'all had the sweet tea in. Yeah. So that's what it made me think of that when I seen it come out. Okay, you guys. So I love y'all. Y'all have a great night. Sorry, I did a late night live, but I was gonna just jump on and see what came about with it. So this is what we did. If y'all are just jumping on, nothing worth having comes easy, and we made it fade from blue to pink. And just in case you guys want, let me throw this up there real fast. Feel free to jump over onto my website. This is the QR code somewhere. I don't remember exactly where. I think in my business page, when I click that up, it pops the link in the comments. So I'm not 100% positive about my group or my regular page or my YouTube page. But if you have a phone that does QR codes, you just click on that, or just text me for the link and I will send it to you directly if you want to. But this is my personal web page. My web page. I built this. I built this page. Me. I did good. Anyway, so you can book a workshop, see my upcoming workshops. You can go to my chalk site for all things chalk that you want to get for supplies. You can learn about Try Me kits. It comes with everything in one kit. And you can learn about our Club Couture and all the good stuff. So jump on my website, check it out. And if you are, if you have used Chalk Couture before, feel free to go to my business page at Lolliz Designz, and it's both with a Z. I got to remember to tell people that. Lolliz Designz. And be sure to rate my, rate either your workshop that you were in, and just go and put a review on my page. And at the end of the month, I'm going to do a huge drawing for everybody who has a review on there. So it is literally for people who have tried Chalk Couture, people who have been to a workshop with me. So because I don't want a bunch of fake profile or a bunch of fake information on there, I want to make sure that everybody knows that the people who put the reviews are actually people who have used it or attended a workshop or anything, watched a live, whatever. But everybody who reviews my business page, puts a review on there, I'm going to do a drawing this month, at the end of the month. So I love you guys. I hope you have a wonderful night. I'll be a little bit earlier tomorrow. So bye, y'all.